bowl full of ice cream.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse
Let's
ran
start.
up the clock. The clock struck one.
I'm drawing a bowl
The
at
mouse ran
first.
down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Please subscribe.
Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the
If you
clock.
like ice cream,
Clock struck
please
two.
like this video.
Away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
It's going to be very beautiful